It's a brand new day, but I left this room a complete wreck. So I left all my paints out and then left this mess on my table from my craft endeavor last week that I shared with y'all. Mess over here. Still have Christmas up. I'm gonna take that down this coming weekend. So yeah, just a little cleaning up before we get started. So I got these little wooden snowflakes for a door sign, and a pack of burlap ribbon, a few different types. So we're recreating this sign. This one's sold, and then I sold another one right behind it. So we'll be creating this one again. Now where are my scissors? Found them. So I'm gonna show y'all some of the things we're shipping today. We're also shipping 2 of these today. So I plan on shipping more than this today, but I ordered my boxes a little too late and I ran out of vinyl. But all that's arriving today, so we'll be good to go for tomorrow. But I still got out what I needed, so we'll just ship more tomorrow, and then we should just have a little bit left to do on Friday. So this is an unrelated note, but my hair is tucked into my coat right now, and I think I might want to cut it this short when I get it cut. What do y'all think? Because it has gotten so ridiculously long. I wear it up a lot more than I wear it down, just because I don't like really dealing with it, and my hair is so thin. And it just like stays staticky, especially in the wintertime. So I don't know. What do y'all think? I'm getting it cut regardless, but I think I might cut it shorter than what I was anticipating. Maybe like right here or something. I don't know.